Hi everyone, ahojte! Dealing with car issues can be very problematic if you don't know some words. Today, in Linguarte, we'll show you some of them as well as some important phrases at the mechanic. You can find a link in the description to download a document with this lesson and practices. Let's start, začíname! Some basic words at the mechanic are car, auto, značka, brand, engine, motor, tire, pneumatika, wheel, koleso, karoséria, car body, brakes, brzdy, battery, batéria, oil, olej, coolant, chladiaca kvapalina, exhaust, výfuk, lights, svetlá, dvere, door, key, kľúče, gearbox, prevodovka, tachometer, license plate, poznávacia značka, transmission, pohon, wipers, stierače, fuel, palivo, tire pressure, tlak v pneumatikách, tire puncture, defect, problem, problém, insurance, poistenie, insurance company, poisťovňa, spare part, náhradný diel, accident, nehoda, damage, poškodenie, car jack, zdvihák, reflective vest, reflexná vesta, warning triangle, výstražný trojuholník, interiér, interior, exteriér, exterior, dangerous, nebezpečné, versus safe, bezpečné. Some useful verbs are štartovať auto, to start the car, vypnúť auto, to turn off the car, jazdiť, to drive, urýchliť, to speed up, zastaviť auto, to stop the car, otvoriť kufor, open the trunk, otvoriť kapotu, open the hood, vymeniť olej, to change the oil, opraviť, to repair. Now, let's learn some phrases for car issues. My car won't start. Moje auto nenaštartuje. The engine is making a strange noise. Motor vydáva zvláštny zvuk. I have a problem with the car. Mám problém s autom. The tire is flat. Pneumatika je prázdna. The car is overheating. Auto sa prehrieva. The battery is dead. Batéria je vybitá. I need to change the oil. Potrebujem vymeniť olej. The air conditioning is not working. Klimatizácia nefunguje. Also, some questions at the mechanic are the following. How much will it cost? Koľko to bude stáť? How long will it take to repair? Ako dlho bude trvať oprava? Can you show me what's wrong? Môžete mi ukázať, čo je zlé? It is safe to drive? Je bezpečné s tým jazdiť? When can I pick up the car? Kedy si môžem vyzdvihnúť auto? It's your time to practice. Try to say these words and phrases at the mechanic. I have a problem with the car. Mám problém s autom. Tire. Pneumatika. Accident. Nehoda. Nicely done! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!